Coliseum in Quezon City. We have a special attraction for you right now. Let's bring out the fighters. Firstly from Thailand, here is Kittisak Kalimso.
ตอนเด็กชอบมวยไทยโตขึ้นมาชอบมวยสากลมาท้าทายดีอยากลองมวยต่างประเทศอยากลองมวยใหญ่ชอบดีมากลงนมวันละ12 ยกก็ไม่มีอะไรมากก็เต็มที่ขอให้เต็มที่ขอฝากฝากตัวกับชาวฟิลิปปินส์ด้วยเป็นกำลังแรงใจเชียร์ผมด้วย
ใกล้แล้วสักครั้ง
labannya si Ale.
Hindi nyo lang gagawin yun. Ayaw makyat, ayaw bumaba eh. Hinawag na eh. Parang silong dito.
Wala oh. Sira ang programa nila.
Hinawag na, sinasabi ko dapat bumaba rin eh. Ayaw usok, wala. Usok. Kaya lalabas na. Yan na ako. Paano? Nakagan eh. Ayaw usok eh. Ano na siguro, meron din ang tuk-tuk.
And now, let's welcome to the arena from Las Vegas, Nevada, Nico Ali Wolf.
I grew up around my grandfather. He was my hero. I just wanted to be like him. I wanted to do whatever he did. So I'm proud to be representing the Philippines. I'm proud to be, representing Manila. I just have so many people out here that I know and love. I'm fighting the 29th, and I'm doing it for you guys. That's exactly what I mean. I'm doing it for the people of the Philippines. You have to make a statement on an event like
Apo
this.
ni Ali, Apo ni Muhammad Ali. Ayun o. Yung bababa. Lalaki. Kalaban nito. Apo ni Muhammad Ali. Apo ni Muhammad Ali. Oh, dumaan siya kay Marcos.
Fans here at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, the action continues. The 50th anniversary of the Thrilla in Manila. And it's all brought to you by Manny Pacquiao's Blow by Blow, the Philippine Sports Commission, and the IBA, International Boxing Association. We have a very special attraction that fits in perfectly with what we are celebrating tonight, the 50th anniversary of the Thrilla in Manila. This next contest is scheduled for 8 rounds, and it's in the middleweight division. Judges find this bout at ringside with a 10-point must system for Helio Garcia, Eduardo Nobleza, Noel Paduca. And when the bell rings, third man in the ring, the referee in charge, Elmer Costillas. And now, let's introduce the fighters for you. Firstly, fighting out of the blue corner to my right, tonight wearing the silver with the multicolored stripes.
Akala mo payat lang, no?
He weighed in at
Laki din pala ng katawan, no?
159.6 pounds.
Akala mo payat,
Heart
no?
record, 10 wins, 2 losses, 6 victories by knockout. He hails from Bangkok, Thailand. Here is Kyrgyzstan Kalinsong.
Apo niya, akala mo payatot, no? No?
And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner to my left tonight, wearing the black and silver. He is the grandson of Muhammad Ali. He weighed in at 159.6 pounds. Fight record, 11 wins, 2 losses, 5 victories by knockout. He hails from Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Please give a warm Philippine welcome to Nico Ali Wolf. Once again, the referee in charge, Elmer Castillas, with the instruction.
Obey my commands at all times. Protect yourselves at all times. Okay, that's good. Good luck. Gonzalo, Billy Silver.